For years, you have likely been told that stiff joints, puffy ankles, and that heavy, aching feeling in your legs are just inevitable parts of getting older. It is a story we have accepted, often while turning to creams, pills, and quick fixes that promise relief but fail to address the root cause. But what if that story is wrong? What if these frustrating signals are not about age itself, but about a critical shortage of the raw materials your body desperately needs to maintain itself? The truth is, your body's ability to repair connective tissue and produce collagen, the essential scaffolding for your joints, skin, and blood vessels, can be powerfully influenced by what is on your fork. The real solution is not found in a patented bottle. It is found in the produce aisle. There are 8 specific, common, and affordable vegetables that provide the precise vitamins, minerals, and compounds your body uses to build collagen, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation. This is not about a miracle cure. It is about strategic, consistent support. By understanding which vegetables help and, crucially, how to prepare them to preserve their power, you can directly influence your joint health, reduce swelling, and reclaim a feeling of lightness and mobility. The foundation, silica and circulation. Our journey begins with 2 vegetables that address foundational issues, structural support, and nutrient delivery. At number 8, we have summer squash, like zucchini. If your knees puff up by evening, it is often a sign your connective tissue is breaking down faster than it can be repaired. Squash provides silica. Think of it as the internal framework that holds your collagen strong. Without it, tissues weaken, leading to stiffness and easy bruising. It also offers vitamin C, which is essential for linking collagen strands together. The key is preparation. Avoid boiling it to mush. Instead, roast it gently or eat it raw as ribbons with lemon and walnuts to boost absorption. Number 7 is beetroot, the circulation champion. Cold feet or nighttime tingling can signal poor blood flow, which means nutrients cannot reach the tissues that need repair. Beetroot supports your body's production of nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and enhances circulation to your extremities. This ensures the building blocks you consume actually get to your joints and muscles. For maximum benefit, enjoy beets raw and shredded with citrus, or roast them whole at a low temperature until just tender. Repair, strength, and stability. Next, we focus on vegetables that directly aid tissue repair and strengthen your body's smallest structures. Carrots, number 6, are a powerhouse of beta-carotene, which your body converts to vitamin A. This vitamin is a master regulator of the cells, responsible for repairing skin and connective tissue. The crucial tip: always pair carrots with a healthy fat like olive oil. Without fat, your body absorbs very little of their beneficial compounds. Lightly steam them or enjoy them raw with tahini for a simple, effective boost. Coming in at number 5 is purple cabbage. If you bruise easily or your skin feels thin, your tiny blood vessels may be fragile. The deep purple anthocyanins in this cabbage strengthen these vessels, while its vitamin K supports healthy tissue function. Stronger vessels mean better fluid balance and less swelling in the ankles. Eat it thinly sliced in a raw slaw with apple cider vinegar to preserve its potent compounds. The heavy lifters, detox and relaxation. As we move up the list, we encounter vegetables that support your body's internal repair systems and address specific issues like stiffness and cramps. At number 4, we have Brussels sprouts. They deliver a potent dose of collagen-building vitamin C and contain sulfur compounds that activate your body's natural detoxification pathways. When these pathways are overloaded, inflammation rises, exacerbating joint pain. Avoid overcooking them into bitterness. Steam them briefly until bright green for the best nutritional payoff. Number 3 is spinach, the muscle relaxant. Nighttime calf cramps and morning tightness are often pleas from your body for more magnesium. Spinach is a rich source, helping muscles relax and easing the tension that contributes to swelling. Add handfuls to smoothies or salads raw, or wilt it lightly. Its folate content also aids in continuous tissue repair. The power duo, evening repair and daily essential. The top 2 vegetables are the most strategic, offering targeted support for your body's natural rhythms. The runner-up, number 2, is the striking Romanesco. This unique vegetable, rich in sulfur and vitamins, is your ideal evening meal component. At night, your body enters a dedicated repair mode. The compounds in Romanesco support your body's overnight cleanup processes, helping to manage inflammation so you can wake up with less stiffness and puffiness. Lightly steam or roast it with turmeric and garlic for a powerful joint-supportive dinner. And the number one most underrated collagen vegetable is fresh parsley. Do not relegate it to a garnish. It is a vitamin C powerhouse, critical for collagen synthesis, and it naturally supports healthy fluid balance. Chop a full handful daily into salads, soups, or a green sauce. Used consistently, it is a simple, profound tool for combating swelling. Your simple, powerful plan. You do not need to overhaul everything at once. Start with 2 vegetables from this list, committing to eating them 3 times this week. Next week, add a third. For easy onboarding, try zucchini and carrots. If bruising is your main concern, add purple cabbage. For stiffness and cramps, incorporate spinach. For that heavy leg feeling, prioritize beetroot. For a comprehensive evening routine, anchor your dinner with Romanesco and sprinkle fresh parsley daily. Remember, the golden rule is gentle preparation, low heat, short cooking times, and keeping colors vibrant to preserve nutrients. Consistency beats perfection. Small repeated actions create the most significant, lasting change. Pay attention to the signals: lighter legs, fewer bruises, less morning tightness. They are proof your body is rebuilding. Before starting any new regimen, if you experience sudden, one-sided, or painful swelling, especially with shortness of breath, consult a doctor immediately. For everyone else, the path to more fluid movement and lighter legs is vividly colored, deliciously simple, and waiting for you in the market. Your body has an incredible ability to repair itself. You just need to give it the right tools.